Hey, it's Paul here. In this video, I will show you how much you can make money through affiliate marketing visually. So I am going to use the simulation tools that are mostly used by the for sales funnels, but now I'm going to use it for the affiliate marketing, how it works. It's a hypothetical numbers, but still it's give you the idea how much traffic you need to bring and to earn this much amount of money. So let's jump into the screen directly. So I'm going to use this one affiliate bridge funnel. To learn more about the bridge funnel, I link here or here you can find and you learn more how you can use it for your affiliate marketing. So especially I created the video for the how you can build a bridge funnel to uh, promote your product. So here I'm going to show you just the numbers and how much traffic you can bring and how much you can earn through this traffic. So first, let's say if you're a YouTuber, let's build YouTube traffic. So let's go to the one by one. So let's do that one. So if you're a YouTuber, let's say per month you're bringing 500 traffic. It's like a minimum numbers if you're already starting, or if you already have a YouTube videos, it can be more. But I'm using just the 500 to make it easy to understand. So the 500 traffic comes here in your opt-in page. You send traffic from YouTube to your opt-in page, 1000 people. So let's make it 50% open rate. So who come here and they get your freebie 50%, that can be like a 500. So whoever submitted 50%, that will be 500. So this is not for one time, it can be one time or maybe 7 days, 10 days, 20 days, but this one is goal is 30 days. So in 30 days 1000 visited and you have a 500 open rate and they gave you information and they get the freebie. So in the freebie, in the thank you page, that is the where the bridge page. In bridge page, again, we added here conversion rate is 50%. So in thank you page, maybe 50%, 500 people visited from 1000, that is the 50%. From the 50%, go to the affiliate product page. So how much will we added 20%. So let's say from 50% to 20% the conversion in affiliate product page. From affiliate product page, the purchase. So the purchase can be 100%, make it 100%. So that will be like a 71% people purchase through affiliate product. So the remaining people, you can follow up with the email. So that's when you collect the opt-in page, the email will follow up. So the first email can be sending your freebie at the same time adding the affiliate product page link. So that can be 100% open rate. If 100% open rate, the click through rate can be 34%. So these numbers you can play around with. So these are the minimum numbers, but according to the this platform suggesting average click through, whenever they receive email, the people will click through maybe 30%. Let's say 100 people receive email, maybe 34% click. So those are the numbers according to the average click through rates. So let's simulate this one, how much you can earn money through sending the 1000 people. All traffic comes from the YouTube, free traffic. There is no expenses at all. So whatever comes and according to the conversion through rate, you get the commission with the 35 people and $669. So let's make this traffic different social media platform. Let's say you have from Facebook group sending again 500 people. Let's make the Let's add one more traffic source. Let's say this is Facebook group, or maybe it can be your page, or it can be Facebook group. Let's say Facebook. It can be Facebook ads also, but for now, we're gonna go through the all free traffic without spending any money. So let's say per month, you're sending 500 visitors. Save this one and close it. Now simulate again. Let's see how much it can cost. Now you are generating per month through social media $1,358 since it's all free traffic. Now, if you are in on TikTok, let's add a TikTok as well. So let's go to the TikTok and the find TikTok video traffic, and let's say from TikTok also 500 visitors. Now you have a three social media coming from and all free traffic. Now through this traffic, average click through rate, according to the average click through rate, you're generating $2,046. That's per month. It's all free. All you have to do is bringing the traffic to your opt-in page. You may thinking why I don't send from direct social media through your affiliate sales page. That's a good question. But here's the thing, whenever you post one of the affiliate product, that day make sales. Maybe that day people can visit. What about tomorrow? And after 1 week, you posted five more posts. So what happened to the that post what you posted 7 days ago? So it's become old. So the people cannot find that post. So that's why when you have a bridge funnel and blog and website, so you can collect their information and you can send them anytime the new product promotions. So not only the old one, and you can send them according to the what they are interested in the future as well. So that's the benefit of having this blog and bridge funnels and website. So here now you can see this one very how effective sending all the traffic to the bridge funnel. So to learn more about how you can build the bridge funnel easy way without any experience and with less money, then I link it here somewhere. You can find that video, and or even you can visit my videos and Polka Digit channel, and you can find here affiliate marketing bridge funnel. I hope this video helps you, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe if you are new here, and don't forget clicking notification bell. So when I release my new videos, so you will be notified. I will see you in my next video.